was about to cross the bridge or do something to go to the island, but there was a discrepancy and an argument kind of ensued. What's going on? We back in the house. Say what's up.
What's up?
Hey, my kids are cool. This is Afro Millennium Mama. We are taking a trip today. It's a school day, but somebody's not going to school. Aren't they special?
I'm taking a little break.
1 day break. Anyway, if you've been watching us since maybe last year, you might recognize this face right here. Here, take the say what's up to the family.
Hello everybody, I'm back in the building. As we say back home, I'm out here.
What's your YouTube name?
This is Afro Millennium.
Just pass your ship.
My shit.
And I'm happy to be back. And many more to come. We'll see what today brings.
I'm gonna say good morning to the people.
Me and Yasi, we got our
what's up?
Amma.
Hey, family members, what's going on with you guys?
Where we going today, babe?
We're just trying to cruise all the way to Joal Fadouch. It's a historical area, and that's where he's from, the first Senegalese president.
Okay.
So we're gonna go visit. It's really interesting. I've never been there actually. It's so funny that I'm from here, but all the, all the monumental stuff and memorial stuff and historical stuff, I never visited until I have guests. So we're all going together and discovering at the same time. But funny, it's like you're from LA, but you don't go to Hollywood until you have guests say, we want to go to Hollywood. You're like, all right, I'm going to take you there.
And the funny story is, it took me to be 22 years old, being from LA, and I did not know where Rodeo Drive was. So he is absolutely right. You can be from a place and not know where a place is.
Yeah.
21 years and didn't know where Rodeo Drive was. I just called it Beverly Hills. But I do know where Rodeo is. I will tell you that.
Rodeo and La Brea.
I will tell you that.
All right. So we're gonna have a good time spending the day. I'll show you guys. This is my first time, her first time, everybody's first time. So we got lots to see. We check y'all on the other side.
That was a good angle.
Come
I'm like, when did I say that?
Yeah, I kind of woke up kind of mad. Like,
Oh, you was mad at me from your
mean?
drink? Oh, that's funny.
Like, I mean, you get good, you know, but you know, I would have to give you like a two thumbs, like as far as 5.
It's a car bridge.
Car bridge, we're going to the island. These are all the guides. What's the name said? Don't get no guide, Kenny. She said, don't get no guide.
Huh?
All right, guys. We finally made it to, I guess, the Fajus Bridge or something like that. If you can see behind me. Can you see behind me? Over there, the water and stuff. Yeah, so I feel like we had deja vu. Remember last time we drove to Gambia or something, and y'all with the directions was like not too clear.
I think we had it right. We got here, and you know, I just think the pressure was on, and we came through in the clutch, like Kobe.
Like Kobe, rest in peace. Yeah, something about guys in directions, they don't like to prepare beforehand or something. Cause this happened when we went to Gambia. Do you remember?
Huh?
Remember y'all got lost and you said, we don't get lost, we're men. Now we're doing the same thing again. Y'all act like y'all not lost when y'all really don't know where to go. Nice to meet you, sir.
Beautiful Africa.
Thank you.
Nice to Africa.
Thank you. So, but we made it here. I didn't say anything. My mouth was closed.
What we have over here is alternative news right now. Let's get the real story. Dude, what really happened?
What really happened is I was driving, but I couldn't get all the information at the same time. So essentially what you're saying is that you
You knew where you were going.
I already knew what I was doing, but once we get there, I didn't know where to go and what to find.
And so then what we did was we turned to the person who did know where he was going, which was
Some random guy in the street.
this little girl right here. She said, make a left, take a couple of rights,
Look at the camera.
and then turn straight.
You knew where to go? Huh? Did you know where to go?
You know what's explaining.
A little camera shy, everybody.
She just want to check herself out in the mirror. Look at Uncle B. Did you know how to get here? Huh? No.
She's at a loss for words right now.
So she said no.
She's so excited. So we're double paparazzi.
Yes, we are.
What's your first call?
I don't know. Point something. It's called bridge. Let me show you guys the bridge. There we go, right there. Somebody coming. Hey, girl. Are you ready? What are you eating? My candy? You took it from me?
Just one.
Oh, you took it from me. Oh, look what she's doing over there. I forgot what that's called. Coney or something like that?
Huh?
What's that stuff called again?
Oh, good.
Coney? Mm-hmm. So I don't know exactly what the tourist activity is gonna be. I think it has something to do with the bridge and the water, and we'll see. I think the island is over there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So we just trying to figure out where it's at. But I don't like to draw too much attention to myself as a tourist, but I'm doing it for you guys. Even though that means everybody's gonna come up to us and ask us all these questions and say my sister and all that. But I'm doing all that for you guys so you can see and you can come along with us. How are you feeling today, sir?
Well, you know, I'm feeling fresh to death with my little buggy on. It's a little hot, but we at the spot. I'm in rap mode again, like last time.
Oh yeah, I
Now I'm
remember.
have to kick it with them dope rhymes.
Look how he bounced when he talked.
All that good stuff.
Can you rap for us? Let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we was about to cross the bridge or do something to go to the island, but there was a discrepancy and an argument kind of ensued. I don't know if people are taking advantage of us or not, or if it's a price, but things got a little heated. So we over here just chilling, waiting for them to resolve the community discussion. So sometimes there's like tourist tax for stuff and it's not always enforced, or it's enforced for certain people. I don't really know exactly what is going on. I just hear certain stuff, but we're waiting here to see once the problem gets resolved so we can go ahead and cross the island, hopefully. Here's the island here. You can see there's a bridge. So I don't know if we can get in a boat or what we're gonna do today, but we'll see. But we're just exploring right now.
Look, I got some leaves for the juice.
Oh, is that the leaves for the moringa? It looks like it. Maybe it is. Cool. We're gonna make the juice tomorrow. Anyway, we're here waiting. It looks like everything's gonna be resolved, I think. Just had to talk it out. Yeah.
Kids playing.
It's all good.
Eventually.
Okay. Now the party's over. So we're getting ready to go across this bridge here and see what's on the other side. So come on. Watch the little car thing. Smile at me. Thank you. Tell us where we're going.
We're going to
The island. Say it louder.
we're going to an island that is called
Fajut.
Fajut.
And where is the island?
Oh, right across there.
What do you think we're gonna see when we get over there?
Cool things.
Talk louder.
Some cool things. Eat some food.
Ooh.
Buy things.
Oh, your uncle's having a dance competition with you. Don't let your hat blow away, okay? You gotta hold it. Look at this water. It's so sparkly looking. No, it was broken. Watch out. Watch out. They're bringing some food. Oh, that look like tita. Smell like tita too. Yeah, I smell it. Oh, okay. Tita is a really good fruit. I just had some juice last night. I put lemon in mine. I don't know how you guys have your tita. Have you had it before? Leave it in the comment if you have. I think I made it last year in a video, but for the first time. But it's the season now. So I just bought some juice and add some lemon to it because I don't like it too sweet. I like it have a little tang in it. Anyway, we're almost at the other side of the bridge, I think we are. It's a nice day, not too hot. A lot of nice breeze. So cool.
Guy, he's like, no, because when I saw you, I knew since the beginning you're not trying to make trouble, you're not gonna pay. That's why you were faking it, looking for coffee and stuff. I told him, man, I have too much stuff to do than coming all the way driving for almost 2 hours. Fire! Driving almost 2 hours, get here to fake. I don't even have you. I don't even see you. I don't know how you qualify me. That was the reason why you approached me this way, coming with aggressivity. Like, hey, where you going? You're gonna come through here and pay. I'm like, you're not talking to your nephew or your son. And since I told you since the beginning, I'm not paying shit. I will see if it's gonna work today or not. And that's why I asked for the responsible and go inside. I told this guy, he's dangerous for you. And all that I will document it and put it on YouTube. Because that's not the reality of Senegal. Sometimes they sit here, all the money, most of the money they're making is going in their pocket. I'm not talking about all of them. It's a lot of responsible people that I talk to. I'm like, this guy, you guys need to get rid of him. He can't be on the front line talking to customers. He's not promoting Senegal. What he's doing, he's bashing Senegal. You guys need to take, that's why he came back trying to apologize. I'm like, don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you. Because first of all, you cursed me in front of everybody. I accepted it. And I curse you back. And you have the audacity to walk up 6 feet on me trying to restrain my arm.
What's up, family? So out of respect and love, I won't be sharing the remaining of this video on YouTube. I will have to air it on Patreon. So if you're interested to find out what happened, the conversation does get heated, but at the same time, there are some truths and some realities that I would be remiss if I neglected to share. But there is a time and place and audience for everything, as I'm sure you know. So if you are already subscribed to Patreon, go ahead and take a look over there. If you're not subscribed, it's under the same name, Afro Millennial Mama. Feel free to go there and check out any behind the scenes videos that may be of interest to you. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. Those of you who follow us and are motivated by us and are planning to move here, this is why I do what I do, and the information that we share is intended to assist you in that process. So peace out, you guys. See you on the next video. There will be a part 2 of this, of course, on YouTube, where we actually go to the island, so stay tuned for that. And also just know that anything that I feel might be too raw for YouTube will still be uploaded on Patreon if I feel that it's something pertinent to helping others or assisting in their journey and preparation. All right. Love y'all. Peace. Black people, we the coolest, we the baddest, we the flyest, we the realest. I love y'all. Peace.